In this video, I will show you how to type vertically in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way you want to type this type. So type your task, type your text and select it. Now here you will see this option, orientation, rotate your text and you will see the some options like vertically text, rotate text up and rotate text down. So this is the way you can type vertically in Excel. Want to make this type, so similar way, firstly select with the border like all border. Now take outside border. Now here type the your number. Select it, hold and center. Now select and merge and center. Use the merge and center. Now type your text here. Select it and similar you can select vertical text. You can change size and you can modify easily. And click anyway. So thanks for watching.